How to find archived chats on Telegram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video, we will see how we can find archived chats on Telegram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you need to launch the Telegram application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now in order to find your archived chats on Telegram, here first of all I will just show you how you can archive a chat on Telegram first. So you have to navigate to that specific contact that you want to archive. For example, I have this contact right here. Now you have to tap and hold on that contact. After that, if you navigate to top right corner, there is three dot icon. Tap on it. Here, tap on archive. Now the chat has been archived. Now in order to find the archived chat, just evoke your chat page on your Telegram. There you will have an archived chats. All you have to do is simply tap on it. And there you go. You can find your archived chats here. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.